Welcome back. This is part 3 of the bubble sort series. In the previous video, we saw how to sort the items in an array for any range of values. In this video, we will continue exploring bubble sort and see how the algorithm can be improved. So let's dive in. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Study with Ness. Here's the algorithm. Along with the trace table we designed, but even though the array was sorted in the second iteration of the outer loop, the algorithm keeps running until both the inner as well as outer loops don't reach greater than 4. As we have used for as our outer loop, which runs a set number of times. Let's try replacing for with the repeat until. Here, we will introduce a flag variable. A flag variable is used for status checking. Let's call our flag as swapped and set it to false. And let's assume that our array is already sorted. And if it is already sorted, we can end the algorithm by setting the condition of until as swapped equals to false. If the array is not sorted and swapping sequence executes, we will set swapped as true, considering there may be more items that are not in order. Let's see how our algorithm works now with the help of a trace table. Adding a column of swapped and writing the initial values in the array. Swapped is being assigned by false. In the first iteration of for, 60 at index 1 is compared with 50 at index 2, which makes the condition true, and the swapping sequence executes. Temp becomes 60, my array I becomes 50, my array I plus 1 becomes 60, and finally swapped gets changed with true. In the second iteration, 60 at index 2 is compared with 40 at index 3. Again, the condition becomes true. The swapping sequence executes, and swapped is updated with true again. And the loop keeps going until I does not get greater than 4. Here our inner loop stops, and the condition of outer loop until is checked. Since swapped is true, the condition becomes not true, and the loop runs again, making swapped false again, as we are assuming that now the array might have been in order. For starts from 1, and the condition is checked. 50 at index 1 with 40 at index 2, which makes the condition true, and the swapping sequence executes again. And swapped becomes true again, assuming there might be more items that are not in order. For keeps going until I does not become greater than 4. And that is when the second time repeat ends. The condition in until is checked, and as swapped is true, the condition becomes not true. And repeat runs for the third time. Swapped is again set to false. I starts at 1 and keeps going until I does not become greater than 4, making no change in the array. But in the end, the condition in until is checked. This time, since swapped remained false, the condition becomes true and the algorithm stops. Now, if we compare this trace table with the previous one, we can see that the number of iterations has reduced. The one with the outer loop for ran 4 times, whereas the one with repeat ran 3 times. This does not seem to be a lot, but keeping in mind that our array only has 5 items, if the items increase, the number of iterations would increase as well. And that is the end of the third part of bubble sort. But still, there is more to explore in bubble sort that we will see in the next part. The link to the next part can be found somewhere on the screen. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like the video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. That's all for now. Peace out.